Alright, hello Math 1 students. I hope you've been having a good weekend and a good week so far, taking care of yourselves. Let's see what we got new this week. I did post answer keys last week. Hopefully you guys are checking your answers and checking your understanding. I made a new virtual classroom. I had fun with that, so hopefully it makes you smile a little bit. Let's check out the classwork for this week. Week 4, residuals and causation. It said watch the videos. Some of you guys are not watching the videos and then emailing me about things that are in the videos, and it's getting a little frustrating. So try to watch the videos, please. Make time for that. Let's look at our agenda slides. Watch this, do the check-in form, ed puzzle, residual and residual plots, and then there's some homework that goes with it. Okay? Ed puzzle correlation versus causation, and then of course homework to go with it. Make sure you're scanning the homework and attaching it on Google Classroom. If you're emailing it to me, it might not get graded. Okay? That's gonna get lost in all the. I get so many emails every day. I just don't want it to get lost. Watch the video, ed puzzle. There's the homework. Ed puzzle and homework. That's pretty much it. So got your agenda slides, got your check-in form, double ed puzzles, homeworks in here, and then I'll attach this video when I'm done uploading it. Alright? Take care, guys. I hope you guys are doing well. Let me know if you need anything from me or how I can help you through this. Alright? Talk to you later. Bye.